Welcome NIVS Home School. This is Dalia Sultana and Assistant Teacher, National Aided English Version School. Today I am going to taking a math class for Junior 1 students. Dear students, today's topic subtraction part 2. In your previous class we learned about subtraction 1 digit. Today we are going to learn subtraction with 2 digits. So let's start our class. And before that, our lecture number 22 and homework 19. I repeat, our lecture 22 and homework 19. Let's start our class. In our previous class, we learned subtraction with 1 digit. Today, we will learn about subtraction with 2 digits. Okay. Here are ones place and tens place. Ones place 5 and 3. You have to subtract 5 from 3. So how do you find your answer? At first, here are 5. Now you take 5 sticks. Here are 5 sticks and 3. Now take away 2 sticks or remove 2 sticks. Now let's count. How many sticks do you have? 1, 2, 3. Sorry. 5, and you have to take your 3 sticks, then you remove. Now how many sticks do you have? 1, 2. Here are 2 sticks. Okay, then remove. Here our tens place 9 and 2. So you have to subtract 9 from 2. Now you have 9 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now you remove or cross out 2 sticks. 2 sticks I cross out. Then how many sticks you have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right here 7. Our answer 72. Our answer is 72. Now let's move on. Question number 2. Here are ones place and tens place. You have to find out at first our ones position. Ones position 5 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You cross out 2. Right here 3. Right here 3. How many left? 1, 2. 1, 2 sticks. Here are 8. Our tens position is 8 and 2. You subtract 8 from 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now you cross out 2. 1 and 2. How many left? You count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. You write here 6. Answer 62. Okay. Question number 3. Our ones position is 3 and our tens position is ones position 3 and 1. So you take 3 sticks and take away 1 sticks. How many sticks you have? 1 and 2. You write ones position is 2. Here are our tens position 6 and 2. So you have subtract 6 from 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and you remove 2 sticks. Remove 2 sticks. How many sticks you have left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sticks you have left. So our answer 42. So dear learners, hope understood today's topic and subtraction with 2 digits. Okay, and there is your homework 4 and 5. You must write your answer. So practice at your home regularly. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.